Melissa, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some back to school healthy lunch ideas. All of these are relatively healthy. Obviously, if you want to be super healthy, then bring a salad to school or fruit or a smoothie. But all of these are very affordable and easy to make. All of these lunch ideas are just like the main dish or the entree of the meal. Obviously, if you just bring one of these to school, it's not really a meal. So I'd recommend also bringing maybe a side salad or some fruit or other snacks just so that you don't get hungry. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So the first lunch idea are English muffin pizzas, and this is super affordable and easy to make. So all you're going to do is spread some pizza sauce on English muffins. Next, I added cheese, and you can add whatever vegetables you want. I usually like spinach on my pizza, but we ran out of spinach. Next, you're going to bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. If you're younger, please have a parent do this, just so that you're being safe. And this is what they turned out to look like. Super easy to make. And if you do bring this lunch to school, make sure to pack an ice pack in your lunch just so that the cheese stays cold, because you need it to stay cold since it's a dairy product. And if your teacher has a microwave, maybe you can have them heat it up for you. I don't know. So the second lunch idea are peanut butter wraps, and all you're going to need are tortillas, peanut butter, bananas, and honey. So I started by spreading peanut butter on a tortilla, and I used a wheat tortilla since it's healthier. And this might seem like a lot of peanut butter to some people, but I tried to cover the entire tortilla. Plus, this is all natural peanut butter, so it's pretty good for you. If you want to be healthier, you can add almond butter. And then I just sliced a banana and placed that on the peanut butter. And then to top it all off, I added some honey. And lastly, I rolled the tortilla up and cut it in half. And please be careful, since I'm using a sharp knife here, just be careful. Make sure you have a parent do this if you're younger. I'm 18 and I'm careful, so yeah. Anyway, this is what it turned out to look like, and it doesn't look that appetizing, honestly, but it's so good, pretty healthy, and yeah, it tastes delicious. So the last lunch idea is a bagel sandwich, and I started by spreading mayonnaise on a bagel. I used thin bagels for this. You can use whatever bagels you want. You could also add cream cheese instead of mayonnaise. Then I added cheese. I also added some turkey, as well as tomatoes and lettuce. I was making this for my mom, and she just wanted all the stuff on the sandwich, so yeah. This is what it turned out to look like. Super easy. If you don't eat meat, then just replace it with something else. You can really customize the sandwich however you like, and you could also just make a regular sandwich, but I feel like this is a little more fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you're new. Today's post notification shout out goes to this person. If you guys want to shout out in my next video, then all you have